Good morning, guys. We're having Wendy's breakfast again. I didn't get any ketchup, but I read it says it's okay because their potatoes are so good. No, today we have a large potato wedge, chicken, honey, something. It's chicken. It's a croissant with a piece of chicken, bacon, and maple butter situation, I think. And I got a coffee. I've never had Wendy's coffee before. I added some of my own cream and some sugar because I tasted it when I brought the order in and it was not sweet enough. It's better. It's not great. Alright. See, bacon, chicken. It's not as good as I remember. It's not as good as the breakfast baconator, but the potatoes are so good. There was a deal for Wendy's. I love deals. Spend 15, save 3. Anyway, I also got a sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant that I'm gonna have for breakfast tomorrow. I work tonight, so I'm gonna bring it to work and have for breakfast. I like when I can DoorDash and get multiple meals. These are really good. I will say they'd really hit with some ketchup. I love ketchup. It's been a while since I got one of these, but it's a little weird. I feel like it's the honey butter stuff that's on it. I don't know. I love the chicken. I love chicken. I don't have any ketchup packets in here. It's definitely better than Burger King's coffee. I got Burger King coffee one day. It was horrible. I also just generally don't like Dunkin', Burger King's breakfast. Maybe just my location, because like every fried thing, not just breakfast, but like the fries, the hash browns, they taste like they were cooked in 9-year-old oil. And I don't know what it is. There's something about Burger King sausage that I don't like. Wendy's has the best breakfast. I mean, if we're talking about Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's is the best. Mm. I love chicken. Mm. Last bite.